My name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of energy futures, and I'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. An indecisive spinning top yesterday, though I know some may say it was also a bullish harami, though I think that would be stretching the rules quite a bit to accommodate it. It was nevertheless a second consecutive close below both the recent broken February to date uptrend, currently at 63.33, as well as the rising short medium moving average, currently 62.95. Overall, there is still a reasonable argument in favour of the last 3 weeks or so being either a possible bearish halfway hesitation or a bear flag type action or even a basing action. But whilst this is not overly clear, it is there. All this recent toing and froing seemed to favour the forming of a bullish basing action, but that now seems to be changing. Yesterday was the latest example of that. If this is coagulation within a certainly relatively narrow range, it could cause an explosive move at the end of it. So caution. So far today, a small pullback up over the short medium moving average, but not over the broken uptrend, before a drop towards Monday's close. In fact, it's looking more closely like a moment like a doji cross more than anything else. ICE gas oil futures. A bullish piercing line pattern yesterday. However, this was just another in the recent toing and froing action that we've seen since mid-March. It was interestingly not, I repeat, not a close back up over the rising short medium moving average, currently 505 3/4. However, that doesn't seem to matter much these days. Much like Brent, this market is also struggling with increased levels of tension and indecision here. The forces involved also seem to be trying to discover whether we will try to form a bearish halfway hesitation or a bear flag or a bullish basing action. Yesterday was again just the latest example of that. The rotational action here seems to be centered around the rising short medium moving average, so caution. So far today, a lower open, but only a small move below yesterday's action before a pull back up towards the open of yesterday. Essentially looking like an indecisive spinning top, maybe even a doji cross. It's not really impressive at the moment. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.